Today I'm here to go over an open house that's happening this weekend in Dover. I'm actually going to be there on Sunday from 11 to 1, but it also has an open house on Saturday from 11 to 1 with Haley. It's 350 Washington Street, Dover, New Hampshire. This is a very unique, really cool property. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of go through the listing like I used to with my open house videos to show you some of the pictures and inside information that I have. If you know anybody who might be interested in a property in Dover, this one's being offered for $607,000. It is 5 acres, and I'll show you in a moment what that looks like. But right now, let's get back to where you can actually see me. Oh wow, where am I? There I am. Hi. Okay, so this is Dover. I wanted to kind of show, this is the ocean here and the seacoast, and these are all the properties for sale in Dover. And I'm going to narrow in on this property on Washington Street, right up here. So it's 3 beds, it says 2.5 baths, it's over 3,500 square feet, and like I said, it's 5.4 acres. And then I have the listing up here so we can take a look at these pictures and I can go over a little bit with you. I did the open house last weekend, so I have inside knowledge about some of these things here. So what I love about this house, it's very symmetrical. I love symmetrical. It's a ranch, all 1-floor living. So on the right-hand side that you can see right over here is all the bedrooms. And then on this side is the dining room, kitchen, and an office. And in the middle is the whole living room area, and behind it is the sunroom. So we're going to be seeing all of that. And this right here is actually a U-shaped driveway, which is kind of essential being on Washington Street in Dover. You're going to want that U-shaped driveway. And here is an overhead shot. This is a garage that actually opens up into the back as well, because the back has a lot of hardscaping, and I think, there's possibilities of things you're going to want to have go through. So they actually have doors on both sides. This is a nice mudroom area that you can use to go into the house instead. Go right from the garage to the house without ever going outside. So it's an attached garage. Brings you right into the kitchen area. So perfect for groceries. This is coming in that front door that you can see right over here, the front door. Is a hallway. So off to the right here, after you come in the front door, that's where the bedrooms are. It's 3 bedrooms. And then off to the left is, like I said, the kitchen dining area. And then behind this wall is actually a giant fireplace and a large living room. And this is the large living room. So this is the bedrooms over here. So that's the right side of the house. Here we are in our big living area. So it's really a nice space, very open, very sunny because it leads out to a sunroom. And I love these built-in shelves with the recessed lighting. It's really, really nicely done. And there are the doors that go into a sunroom that then goes outside. This is the office space or flex space. You can basically do whatever you want with it. It kind of is on the other, between the dining room, the kitchen is in the middle and the dining room's on the front side of the house. So this is on the back side, on the left-hand side. And there's the kitchen. It's got nice granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, brand new fridge, like not even used. And this is the dining room. So that was in that front part to the right-hand side of the house. Beautiful little half bath that's also on the side of the house with the dining room and the kitchen. So that right-hand side with the 3 bedrooms, it has a master bath and a bathroom all by itself, and that can always be even cordoned off if you're having a huge party. Everyone can use this bathroom here, which is right near the kitchen and dining room. This is the master bedroom with the master bath. Yep, master bath. This is one of the bedrooms. One of the unique things with this property is that it has built-in, drawers, so you don't need to have a dresser. So the space that you're thinking of when you look at if you look at the listing and you see the square footage of each room, you don't have to factor in having a dresser because they have these built-in drawers. And you'll see this is the bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms. And look, this room is like a whole wall of built-ins. It could be, as a bedroom, or if you had it as a craft room, that would be a great place to have all your items. This is the sunroom. Again, there's many possibilities. Nice fan in there. You can go ahead. Oh, and then the other special thing about this property is the basement. It reminds me a lot of, right after I was out of college, I took some dance classes, and I actually went to a woman, and I believe it was in Dover, that had the dance studio in her basement. And this is what it kind of reminds me of, because you can come right in that side door and go straight down into the basement. And there's actually a bathroom down here. I remember she had dressing rooms and bathrooms down there in the basement, and it was like a whole dance studio. You could absolutely put mirrors on the wall here and have a dance studio. But the fireplace down here was working. That's what they were using to heat this downstairs area, but there is a bathroom and bedrooms. That's the other side. That's the bathroom that's down in that basement. And it just keeps going on and on. There's different rooms for storage, closet, walk-in closet down in the basement. So there's a lot of space. And then outside, they actually had an outdoor kitchen. We are not positive on if everything works, but there was like a kegerator right here that you can put the keg in the garage and it comes right out. This is a sink. There's a wine fridge here. And there was some beautiful hardscaping. So yeah, really nice area outside. And I think that's the end of, this is the front again. So that's the end of those pictures. Let's go back and take a look at the backyard, because it is 5 acres. And what you're seeing here is, the very tip of the iceberg. Right beyond this well, there's a little trail that goes over some water, and then all these woods back here I have brought across the map. There we go. So you can see the house is right here. So you can walk in the backyard, go across the water, and then all the woods. It's 5 acre, that's probably about 4 acres. Almost goes right up to the, turnpike. So that is what the lot looks like. It's a lot of land in Dover to have that much land. And I believe that is all I have for the pictures. Very excited to go back there this weekend. I'm going to do a walkthrough tour. If you would like me to go ahead and do that, I've seen a lot of agents coming through, even spouses, doing a FaceTime or a Zoom, walking around the house. And since I'm there for the open house, I can absolutely do that for you if you cannot make it, if you are definitely interested or out of town. I'm trying to think if there was anything else I can bring you back to that first picture I had here with the information. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. I look forward to being back in Dover, and I will see you next weekend, hopefully with another open house. Take care.